my name is Alexander. Today, I am going to do science experiments. So I need vinegar, baking soda, water bottle, funnel. Okay, here's how we do it.
What do we do? You put the vinegar.
We put the vinegar in the water bottle.
And next?
And next, we grab the funnel. We put the balloon on the funnel. And then we put baking soda into the
Balloon.
balloon.
I think we have enough. Okay, next what we're gonna do?
Next, we're going to take the balloon off of the funnel. And then we're going to stick it on here.
Like this?
Yes.
Now what you gonna do?
Now, what I am going to do is we're going to pour the baking soda in. And guess what happens?
Whoa!
Wait, it entered the balloon.
Wow! What just happened, Alexander?
It popped up like a volcano. Wake up. After you eat,
Good job!
can we do the volcano?